Now let's talk about his mother. What's up with all these like condoning and snitching and all this, bro? Like, snitching's not cool. I don't give a if you snitched when you was 10 years old. I don't give a if you snitched when you was 30. It's not cool. It's not cool if you famous. It's not cool. Snitching is not cool. Period. You're trying to make excuses for. Oh, he was 10 years old. I've been coming to jail since I was 12. Talking about. So, if I was 12 and I told on it, then it's cool. No, snitching is not cool. Y'all be trying to like, oh, well, this person got this much clout, so we ain't tripping like that. No, snitching is not cool. I don't go if it's a bitch, a nigga. I don't go for nigga if it's a nigga grandpa. Snitching is not tolerated. We do not harbor snitches. That's crazy. Monk don't like my bandana. Want to be super bloods. Next, he gonna be talking about this thing team. You know what it is on bloods. Nigga, the homies is tripping. I gave you passes. Yeah, nigga, I'm the only reason y'all can come to the hood. That shit's revoked. Nah. Why you got a mask on? He the only nigga got a mask on. Yeah. Yeah. COVID real ass nigga. Nigga wasn't wearing masks in the county jail. Nigga didn't care. Nigga going in there with the mask on. Now we just gonna squat with the mask on, bro.
We have to wear our mask, or they was gonna send your ass right back in the cell.
Oh yeah.
In the pen.
Hell yeah.
They going right back, and we already gonna be